Northern Gold Coast has a variety of clientele, from the first-time buyers right through to retirees, upsizes and downsizes, everything you can think of.
We offer a customised experience with our homes. We build knockdown rebuilds, sloping blocks, custom homes, and we also offer house and land packages.
When we were searching for a builder, the thing that stood out with GJ Gardners was the fact that they did custom builds, and I was really particular exactly what I wanted, and I'd looked at other builders trying to get it within budget, and there was just nothing that was going to work for us.
Gave us different sort of ideas about our sloping block, and that really made us feel a bit more at ease that he had options for us that we could work with.
Having worked with a number of builders over the years, I find it really refreshing to work with Buddy because he's innovative, he listens to what people want, and he takes pride in what he builds. Therefore, I can take pride in what I'm selling to them as well.
My team really offer a personalised experience, working hand in hand with our clients and really nailing the design that they're after. I like to personally get to know all my clients as well, as I think it's very important to know who you're building for.
You end up knowing what they like and what they don't like, and you get a good quality finish because everyone knows everyone.
Being able to trust the process and trust the builder and not waste your time and energy knowing that you can give them the brief of what you want and they're going to come back and do it. Buddy was great for that because sometimes our brief may not always going to work on bricks and mortar, but if there was a problem, he'd be like, "It's a tough one, Mandy, but I'm going to figure it out for you." And to me, that's valuable.
If we asked him for a picture or something like that, he'd send it through whenever he was out there. And he communicated always, whether it be phone call, text, email, constantly kept us up to date with everything.
Yeah, I liked dealing with him. I even still message him now. Just got a quick question. Sorry to bug you.
It's like they become friends, they really do. They can become friends with their clients. It's pretty cool.
We had a lot of obstacles because of the block. He had to do a lot of troubleshooting, basically, and he did it. He nailed it. He was like, "Oh, it's going to be really expensive to do this, so we could do it this way instead." Yeah, it all came within budget, which was amazing.
The beauty of building with us, the price that we give you is the price that you'll have in your contract. There's no hidden extras, no hidden costs. We're very upfront with that.
Everything that we were quoted for and we approved was exactly what we paid for. There was nothing extra.
It was relieving to know that you were actually comfortable in what you were doing and no surprises along the way.
You felt at ease knowing that trades were working each week. Some sites you go to or go past, there's nobody working on sites. Quite reassuring to know things were getting done.
As soon as we got the approval, GJ were in there, starting to build. So the biggest value to me was just their punctuality, to get on top of things, get things done.
They actually even delivered under the time frame that they gave us.
I cannot believe how smoothly the build went. We've since had issues with the pool, landscaping, all that sort of stuff that we didn't do at GJ's. And the house is the only thing that didn't go wrong.
We're a local family builder. We employ local tradesmen. We're trustworthy. We offer great solutions for our customers, and we're hands-on and available at all times.